Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this ray of light on CapCut PC. So copy and paste your video, remove background on the second video, and then you're going to copy and paste that once it's done. On the second video here, go to adjustments, go to curves, and you're going to drag this all the way to the very left. And then you're going to go to the effects section and you are going to add on the angel. The angel light, the angel effect to the second video. Then you're going to add in your other video on top. And that is it. Super simple. You can adjust it as well. I keep adding the wrong one. There we go. Here you can adjust the strength as well. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!